Let's do levers. There's first, second, third class levers. And let's see what it is. So first class, I just remember, so if I do test you, I'm going to say something like, oh, the skull is an example of a, so what I want you to remember is first class lever, you have one skull. Second class lever, you have 2 feet. Third class lever, you hold a 3-pound dumbbell. So first class, skull. Second class, feet and ankles. Third class, elbow. Okay, so just remember those and then you should be fine. But let's talk about what it means. So there's, whenever you have, it's like a seesaw. If you put one weight on one end, like a child, and then you have a fulcrum in the middle, a pivot point, and then you have a counter load on the other side, or a force that will counter the load of the child. That could be an adult. The amount that they press down will change the height of the child, right? And it's always countering on a pivot point. So in the skull, the pivot point is A-OK, remember? Atlantal occipital joint is basically the connection between the skull knuckles and the first vertebrae, C1, which is atlas. So first class lever is right here, so the skull. So the load is the weight of your face when you get really tired in my class, and then the fulcrum is the pivot point of the knuckles, and then the applied force to counter the load when you're sleepy, all of a sudden you fall asleep and you wake up, right, is the muscles